Okay, so leaving the hotel. Unang-una, mag-room review tayo. Kasi kaya importante na nag-room review tayo. Binabalikan ko rin just in case may nakalimutan. So ito siya, pan of the room. Puro basura na lang yon. Ito, walang tao sa ilalim ha. Una lang yan. Inaangat ko lang para lang just to be sure na wala rin naipit sa mga kumot. Yan o. Kasi minsan may mga damit, pag paalis ka na, hinahagis-hagis mo na lang. Gamit. So I have 3 bags. 1 bag. 2 luggages. Okay, let's go. And then last would be to check the cabinet. Baka may nagtatago. Okay. Parang CCTV ko na to. CR, wala na akong naiwanan. Malinis. And ito, time to go, time to move. First living. Okay, got the card. Hello.
Check out?
Yep.
Phone number?
Yes, 347.
347. Just make sure nothing left in the room.
Nothing left. And then I'll just wait here.
Yeah.
I'm still waiting for the car. Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you. Paalis na tayo sa hotel. Actually, maganda siya, malinis. It's a 4-star hotel. Somewhere in the middle of Central. Tapos may pool lang dito. Yun lang yung pool. Hindi lang nakaka-encourage mag-swim kasi ang dami mong katabi. Like, all the rooms are looking at you. Tsaka may glass pa sa gilid. Masaya siya siguro sa bata. Pero pag adult nag-swim, parang wala masyadong privacy. Lahat ng kumakain katabi ka rin. Laupuan. Dito nisundo ko. So, maganda sa Emirates. Pag Emirates ka, susundin ka na nila. Business class sa Emirates. Sorry. Yes. Susundin ka na nila from the airport. So, ito sila. So, about to leave Ashley, Tanang. And, heading to the airport. Thank you. Thank you, sir. Ganda ng kotse. Makakatulog pa ata ako going to the airport. Tulog muna nga ako talaga. Okay. So, going to the airport, leaving Jakarta now. Going to the airport and going to Dubai at around 5 p.m.
To passport ready?
Yes, passport? Okay. Yes, yeah. Ready already. Have it.
Okay, thank you.
Kompleto pa service. Thank you, sir. Okay, tapos yung service ng ride. Nandun siya sa likod. Saan tayo pupunta? So ito yung Jakarta Airport. Unang-una, world class. Pangalawang laki. Pangatlo, maluwang. Kasi hindi mo makikita nagsisiksikan yung mga tao. So pasok na tayo. And hanapin natin lounge. Tingnan tayo konti. Yung domestic airport ata nila dito tsaka international magkahiwalay. I'm not sure. Pero ang laki oh. Ang laki tsaka ang ganda ng international airport nila. Paano na to? Pilipinas. Okay, hanapin natin yung flight natin going to, I don't know, wala pa ata eh. Emirates, Dubai, tama, 540. C1, C6. Okay, check-in na tayo C1, C6. Letter C. Hello. Checking in for business class. The 540. Check-in 240, I think. Yeah, Emirates. 220. Okay, thank you. Oh my God, sobrang ganda ng airport ng Jakarta. Parang world, hindi parang world class talaga. Comparable sa pinakamagagandang airports na napuntahan ko sa buong buhay ko. And imagine, kapitbahay lang natin ito. Same GDP dapat before. Pero naiwanan na talaga tayo. Grabe. Ganda masyado ng airport nila. Anong gagawin na natin? Dahil pang food choices. Pwede tayong bumaba or pwede tayong mag-coffee club. Or pumunta tayo sa lounge. Kape muna tayo. Grabe, ganda ng Jakarta Airport. Grabe, carpeted pa. First class ang airport ng Indonesia, Jakarta, Indonesia. OMG. Bang level. Okay, so this concludes my Indonesian Jakarta trip. Paalis na tayo, heading for Dubai. Ito na aeroplano, Emirates. At nandito lang siya sa Jakarta, Indonesia. Wala siya coming from Bali. Bigay ko yung boarding pass. Finally, already arrived. Sometime now.
لشد الحزام يمكنكم سحب هذا الشريط ولفتحه.
By Jakarta.
ادفعوا القطع المعدنية.
We're done in Jakarta and we're going to Dubai.
نوصيكم بإبقاء حزام الأمان مربوطا أثناء الجلوس، وإذا نزلتم بالنوم يرجى رفعه.
just left the plane. Just left the plane. Nandito na tayo sa plane. So, ang technique, every time mag-arrive ka sa bawat bansa, coming from a plane, huwag ka magsi-CR. Kasi pag nag-CR ka, habol sa yung pasahero. Pag nakahabol sa yung pasahero sa immigration, mauna ka nila. Kung nauna ka nila, ababil. So in short, huwag ka mag-CR. Labas ka na kagad. Tapos huwag ka mag-CR sa labas. So buti na ulit tayo. Ito ibang flight na itong nasa harapan ko. Isa o pangalawa ito sa nauna. Pag naunahan ka dito, coming from Boeing whatever na kung ano man yun, 348 ata, 747, mapupuno kagad yung immigration. Anyway, saan pa natin maglakad? Sobrang hindi pa ako naglalakad, siguro mga I don't know, 20 minutes ako naglalakad. Ang laki ng airport nila. Wala pa ako sa dulo. Kanina pa parang nakadalawang terminal na ata ako. So ako naman yung mga ibang lalabas doon, antok na antok. Kaya may mga buwata bata. Not sure kung malayo o mali yung nalakaran ko. Pero wala namang ibang gate eh. Ito na pupunta lang talaga doon. Ako lang talaga mag-isa. Wala akong ibang kasama eh. Pero iniwan ko na sila lahat. Nandun na yung mga nag-CR, so bahala na sila sa buhay nila. Smart kids. Hanapin natin yung bag from saan ba tayo galing? Jakarta. Yun. Number 6. Belt number 6. Kita nyo? Okay. Tara. Okay, tapos na. Exit na tayo sa immigration. Ako ng bags. Yun ang next na challenge would be hanapin yung free transport services ng Emirates pag naka-business class. This one? Hello. Good evening. How are you?
Fine.
Okay. Grabe ang service dito, BMW. Laging BMW yung ano. Ang service pag nag-business class ka from Emirates. Syempre mas mura kung hindi ka mag-business class. I mean business class of PAL. Ang problema mo lang doon sa hindi, nabook ko na kaya lang basta long story. Kailangan namin mag-rebook using Emirates papuntang Jakarta and yun yung nag-istorya ko. And we need to book that like 10 days ago. Siguro mas malayo pa, mas mura. Correct.
Yes, sir. How was your flight, sir?
Really good, but just a different time zone. How's the weather now in Dubai? Still hot?
So, yeah, it's still hot, but
How about sandstorms? Do you still have it now?
it's going better day by day, sir.
Better. But if better now. So it's sorry, it's 37, 38 at night.
From 30 to 35, 36,
30
like
to
that,
35.
yeah.
And then in daytime.
In the daytime, it's going to 40, 42 somehow.
But the visibility is better now. Last time I was here, like the visibility is bad
Yeah.
because of the sandstorm. and all that.
It was, I mean, the peak of the hot season. That 2-3 months.
Right now it's not peak anymore. It's still
Yeah.
hot, right?
Yeah, it's still hot, but it's going better day by day.
I see. Now it's really good because the last time I was like trying to take videos, I couldn't see the buildings from afar. I couldn't see the lights
Somehow humidity outside,
better.
so not there. But now it's okay. It's good. Have a good night and have a nice day, sir.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Bye, sir.
Good night. Ayan, bigat. Okay. Pwede na. Very basic. Well, medyo malamig. Paano ba hinaan to? Eighth floor. Ito na. Pinakamataas ng view. Walang view. Sa A-loft may view eh. Pero dito may, tignan natin kung may opportunity. Okay, matutulog na ako. Parang alas 2, alas 3 na sa Indonesia ata ngayon eh. 10, 11, what time is it? Magto 12 na. So, coming from the Philippines, 4 AM na doon. Kaya kailangan na matulog na lahat. Gigising na maaga bukas. Time to rest.